morning, Hope class. How are you? Happy Friday. I am so thrilled that it is Friday. What a week. Whew. I bet you can say the same. Hey, just a couple quick things before the weekend. You need to make sure you've worked out 3 times this week. I will give you till Saturday to make all that happen. Send me an email. Let me know where you are in that journey. Many of you have already sent me an email telling me about your workouts and that you've finished them. Congratulations to you. I'm really proud of you. Just keep working, right? You need to be physically active during these times. Also, your food diary. Again, that's where you're just going to track your caloric intake for 2 days. Send that to me as well. Some of you already have. It's great. Some of you, I'm quite jealous. You're eating well. I wish I could say the same for me. But send me those as well. I'll give you to Saturday. So what you need to do by Saturday is via email, let me know that you've worked out 3 times, and then also send me your food diary. Be safe this weekend. Do that social distancing thing. I know it's been quite difficult for many of us, including myself. We are going to try something on Monday, and I don't know. We'll see if it works. We're going to have a Zoom conference, and it is scheduled for 9 o'clock on Monday. You will see the invite. I've emailed it to you, so there'll be an invite how you get on and do all that thing. It's called Coffee with Coach. It'll be quick. We'll talk about a couple things, what we're going to do for this week's assignment, but more importantly, I just want us to visually get connected. I miss all of you. I haven't seen you in, it's been a long time. So hopefully, from a technology standpoint, it'll all work out, and so then at least on Monday morning at 9 o'clock, we'll get to see each other. Maybe we can talk a few minutes. So hope you will make an effort to be there for that one. And again, I'm looking forward to seeing all of you. Again, if there's anything I can do for you, I'm here all day in my world. So I'm here to help. If you have any questions, comments, just let me know, and we can certainly work through any of that. I do have a short, cute little video that I'll show you now. And so watch that, and then have a wonderful weekend. Be safe, and then I look forward to seeing all of you on our Zoom conference on Monday morning at 9 o'clock.
Hey, happy Sabbath, guys. Hey. Yeah, Sabbath. Thanks. Happy Sabbath. Happy Sabbath.
Happy Sabbath. Sorry I'm late.
Are you on welcoming?
Yeah.
Oh, that's alright. No worries.
Got
So, how was your week?
it was okay. Just finished exams.
Oh, that's always really relieving.
Obviously, finally relaxed.
Happy Sabbath.
Happy Sabbath.
Happy Sabbath.
It's a shame.
Was the traffic bad this morning? Yeah.
Hey.
Hey guys.
Happy
sorry,
Sabbath.
sorry I'm late.
That's alright. Pastor Chang.
Hey.
Good to see you guys.
Happy Sabbath.
Good to see you.
Happy Sabbath.
Good to see you.
Are you preaching today?
I'm preaching today.
What are you preaching on?
Preaching on the Good Samaritan. See you there soon, eh?
Yeah,
Okay.
see you in there.
Okay, see you soon.
Bye. Yeah, is there any plans?
I was hoping to go to the beach.
Alright, well, it's getting on. Alright, let's head in.
Sam? Sam, how are you? Hey, Sarah, I'm okay. How are you? Yeah, good. I'm really good. Is this your church? Shouldn't you be inside? I just need a little bit of air. Okay, yeah. All right, well, I'm on lunch break at the moment. Do you want to come get some food with me? That's really sweet, but I should probably stay here. Okay, all right, well, I'm free on Tuesday. Do you want to hang out then, maybe? You know what? Let's just go now. Okay? Yeah? Yeah, great. Let's go.
A priest happened to be going down the same road, and when he saw the man, he passed by on the other side. So too a Levite, when he came to the place and saw him, passed by on the other side. But a Samaritan, as he travelled, came where the man was, and when he saw him, he took pity on him. He went to him and bandaged his wounds, pouring on oil and wine. Then he put the man on his own donkey, brought him to an inn, and took care of him. Jesus says to go and do likewise.